be the only flow that you know, with a bounce and a half. Listen kid, I need a mountain of gas, so I can roll up, hop in the whip and like bounce to the ab. I get high cause I'm in the hood, the guns is around. And take a blunt just to ease the pain and humble me now. And I'd rather roll something up, cause if I'm sober dog, I just might flip, grab my guns and hold something up. I get high as a kite, I'm in the zone all alone, motherfucker, case I'm dying at night. So I roll them up, back to back, bad as I could. You got beef for Styles P, I come to splatter the hood. Every day, every night, all the time, every day, every
What up, legendary princess? Good to see you. How you doing? Happy Easter to you and yours. Make sure you, your son, your husband, and your peoples all have a great day. You know how we do.
I smoke like a chimney. Matter of fact, I smoke like a gun. When the killer see his enemy, I smoke like Bob Marley did. Add to that I smoke like the hippies did back in the 70s. Spit with the finishing touch. Get this, that I'ma finish you before I finish the Dutch. I get high like the birds of the plains. I get high when bullets hit faces after words exchange. I get a rush off the blood on the walls. You understand, like the
Yeah, we started with that East Coast
I get
vibe today.
What's better to do? And I'm because I'm better than you.
Every day.
Every night. All the time. Every day. Every night.
That's one out of that crap. Y'all already know. The natural wild hemps, baby. Morning, Naomi. Good to see you. How you doing? Happy Easter to you and yours, or whatever you're doing today. You know, it's 420 my way. Oh, but like the sign says, it's 420 somewhere every day. And purple or blue. Beat after beat in the building. Y'all know to go support the big homie. If nothing else, just hit his cash out. Don't worry, I got it for you.
Slacker.
Yeah, fuck it, we might as well let that go.
Or duty. A person who evades military service in wartime.
Well, I get this set up, right?